Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Bondee app is not available in your country. If you're facing this type of error, this item isn't available in your country, try to download Bondee. Or if it's showing here this device isn't compatible with this app, if you want to download Bondee app and your device isn't compatible or it's showing error, this atom isn't available in your country, then I'll show you how can you fix it or how can you download Bondee app in your iPhone or Android phone. So let me show you here. I have an Android phone, and now I'm going to tell you that how can you download this type of app. So firstly, let me show you here. You have to close this page, and after that you have to open any browser in your phone, like I am opening Google Chrome here, and just simply you have to search for Bondee app. Okay guys, after that you have to scroll it down and just simply look for APK Pure. Okay guys, just simply you have to look for APK Pure, and after that let me show you here. I have already downloaded a file, so you have to download this file. As you can see guys, Bondee 2.0.0636 apkpure.apk. So you have to download this type of file. So I have already downloaded, and now let me show you here. I have installed the app from this file like this. So let me show you here. I want to show you here. As you can see guys, I have downloaded this one. Okay guys, you can see here. Now I can uninstall it, or now I can open it. Now let me show you here. I want to uninstall this one. So Bondee is uninstalling. As you can see, is showing this type of error. So let me show you here. I want to download this one again. So let me show you here guys. Tap on this. Now staging app, as you can see here, is showing a staging app. So you have to wait some seconds from here. Tap on install. Now as you can see guys, it's installing right now. So if you have an Android phone, you can install Bondee app by following this way. And if you have an iPhone, then you have to change your country origin as a Singapore. Let me tell you that again. You have to change your country origin as a Singapore. When you changed country origin as a Singapore, you can easily install Bondee app on your iPhone. Let me tell you again. So you have to remember that you have to install Bondee app by selecting your country as a Singapore. Okay guys, just simply you have to go to view account, and then you have to go to change your country origin, and there you can easily change your country origin on iPhone as a Singapore, and you can easily install it. So let's try, and let me tell you in the comment if you have installed or not. So this is guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.